Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram tell us problem. So guys, if you want to open your Instagram or want to follow anyone on Instagram and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, this problem is occur when you are following many people at a time on Instagram. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, easily you can fix this. So first of all guys, you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, after this, simply you need to click on your main profile and click on three lines, and here is the option of settings and privacy. So guys, you need to click on it, and after this you need to scroll down, and here is the option of help. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, here is the option of report a problem. So guys, click on it, and here is the option of report a problem. So guys, simply click on it and click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem. So guys, my problem is here, you can see I am facing the problem will limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram, like liking to protect our community due to follow some people. So guys, if you have after writing this, here you need to write your username of your Instagram ID, and here you need to write your email address for contact purpose. And guys, after writing this appeal, you need to upload your screenshot in which you have facing this type of problem. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on send, and after sending, within few minutes your account will be fine and you will be able to follow anyone on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.